paglilinaw din po dun sa nabanggit po ninyo kanina, Attorney Kapunan, na yung testimony ni Director Matibag will answer anong mangyayari, meron bang continuing investigation ng NBI. Are you pertaining to the nabanggit po doon sa House hearing na NBI is following leads on alleged assassin in Duterte's threat against Marcos?
Hintayin na lang natin yung testimony on Tuesday about, as Kong Joel said, and Kong Ortega said, the testimony of Director Matibag will complete the whole narrative. Kasi hanging question yung anong nangyari. At yung statement ni Attorney Lotok that said from the Cybercrime Division, this was referred to another division of the NBI. So, I think it's reasonable to assume that the story, yung buong storya, malalaman nyo sa Tuesday.
And how are you preparing po for that Tuesday testimony of Attorney Matibag? Kasi po, well, yesterday, medyo nagkaroon ng mga allegations na parang yung dalawang senator judges na parang ini-intimidate daw po, or the announcement on a probe sa infrastructure project, was that an attempt to intimidate senator judges?
Wala naman po magbabago sa preparasyon ng prosecutors. Pero ako sinabi ko naman kung ano yung nakita ko lang nung nandun ako nung hearing. Makikita natin may konting friction talaga dahil nga po sa past month na mga nangyaring events, no. Alam po natin 'yon. But again, nakahanda po ang prosecutors. Siyempre, dadalo po si NBI Director Matibag. Inaasahan po natin na sa dating po niya doon, mula sa pagdating niya hanggang sa pag-upo niya, masisigurado ko na medyo mahaba. Medyo mahaba, maraming tanong. Baka hindi pa po siya nakasalang sa witness stand or kakaupo pa lang niya, marami ng tanong ang senator judges sa pagdating pa lang niya. Aasahan po natin talaga yon. And kaya nga po si Chairman Ace nung kahapon, nag-request na rin po ng ginataan na yung bilo-bilo. Kasi alam niya na mahaba yung hapon na yon. So kailangan merong mabigat na merienda.
Pwede bang idagdag lang ng konti, no? Kasi before it was mentioned yung situation ng Alan Peter, etc., and the interview of Direk Matibag, nag-manifestation din po si Senator Robin Hood Padilla na sana ay hindi po ito conspiracy of sorts, na bakit isa-isa na nang uubos ang mga senators na wala sa majority, no? Parang this is a concerted plot to remove the number of dissenting or yung mga minority bloc, no, kasi isa-isa na ang nangyayari, no. I'd just like to assure the public that wala pong kinalaman ang mga kaso outside the impeachment court. It is not within the control of the House. Ibang department of government yan, ano. If government agencies do their own duties, part of their duty yan, ano, that there are cases being filed. Hindi naman filed yesterday to. Hindi naman filed sa start ng impeachment case, no. These have been cases that have been pending for long, no, and that it has ripened now, or that there is progress now, is just a matter of siguro we don't want to second guess the enforcement agency. So be assured, no, we'd like to assure our dear friend Senator Robin Hood Padilla, who always keeps, kung black and white ang impeachment, naglalagay siya ng magandang technicolor pag nagmamanifest siya. So we also appreciate his statements, but be assured, Senator Robin Hood, na wala pong script ito of conspiracy, no. Wala pong Operation Romanov against the senator judges who are not part of the majority bloc. Para sa bayan lang to, para sa katotohanan. And I'm sure Senator Joel, Senator, na-promote ka na. Kung Joel will add to that.
All right, to ask the final set of questions. Marian?
Good afternoon po. Just want to follow up po dun sa questions kay Attorney Matibag, kay Chief NBI Director Matibag. I understand po na dinap po natin na witnesses sina Attorney Zolaika, Captain Belinda Bello because redundant, unnecessary, pero sinasabi nga po natin na napakahalaga po na testigo po ni Director Matibag. Even Attorney Tranquil Salvador po yung dating defense lawyer ni dating Chief Justice Renato Corona, sinabi po niya na si Matibag daw po yung magtatahi lahat ng mga ebidensya. No? Sa tingin niya yun yung mangyayari dahil na establish na nga po authenticity through Kalilong, Jeremy Lotok, yung kanilang investigasyon. And Attorney Kapunan, you were saying kanina, nahintayin na lang po natin yung testimonya on Tuesday dahil siya po yung magkukumpleto ng narrative. Yung hanging question, hindi lang po kung sino yung nakausap na yung lead doon po sa kontratang assassin. Si Attorney Matibag din po ba ang sasagot? Kasi si Attorney Lotok kept on saying na yung focus doon ng investigation nila grave threats lang ang about kung may Operation Romanov Intelligence Service, director na lang po namin ang inyong tanongin. At Senator Gatchalian, may nakausap bang mga grupo na naniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi ng kabilang grupo? Makakasagot lang Intelligence Service, director na lang po namin yung sasagot niyan. If may nakausap bang ang NBI regarding inciting to sedition, director na lang din po ulit Intelligence Service namin makakasagot dyan. Gaano kabigat po etong testimonya ni Director Matibag para isa lang pa rin natin siya, even if sinasabi natin na unang dalawa ay sapat na.
Isa lang masasabi ko, mabigat.
Earth shaking. Ground shaking, ma'am. Gaano kabigat, ma'am? Like, can you expound lang po? Ano yung aabangan ng tao on Tuesday? Ano? Off the record?
Love advice na lang bigay ko sa iyo. Yun ang masasagot ko, no? Because I cannot preempt the testimony of the witness. Wala namang script ito, no? So he will say what he needs to say. Baka sasabihin nila may script na naman, may binabasang script na naman ang prosecution witness. Wala po. Sa katotohanan lang siguro. I mean, punta lang kayo sa Tuesday.
I guess ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Being the head of the bureau, he has the access. He has access to all of the records sa lahat na to. Kumbaga, he has the keys to the castle, eh. So, kung meron namang pinaka credible, saka siguro naghahanap ang mga kaibigan natin sa media at saka mga taong bayan ng pasabog or mabigat na statement coming from here. Siguro ang magandang word na gamitin natin is informative.
Yes.
Kasi mas privy sila sa mga impormasyon na hindi natin kayang sagot or hindi natin alam. Parang yung lead sa so-called na assassin. Siyempre, may classified yung iba dyan. At hindi rin naman nila pwedeng ibitaw or basta-basta sabihin kung hindi rin po solid yung lead nila at hindi po nila nahanap yung or under investigation pa. So, I'm sure mag-expect kayo ng fireworks next week. There will be fireworks.
Bring your own baon.
Hmm.
Sa Tuesday, BYOB ang tawag dyan. Bring your own baon.
Tuesday. Oh. Kami, bilo-bilo. Ginataan.
Any follow-up, Marian?
Last na lang po. I understand si Director Matibag, affiliated po siya with the PDP Laban. Dati siyang official. Yes, former executive po ng PDP Laban. Maybe an ally of the Duterte or former President Rodrigo Duterte back then. Gaano kahalaga kaya yung mga nalalaman din niya even before or with all this investigation in the trial?
Hindi ko kasi alam yung level of closeness nila eh. Pero hindi naman hindi naman bagong impormasyon. Alam naman ng tao na he was part of that. Siguro, yung kaunting oras na kilala ko siya at nakasalamuha ko siya, very naman siya, very upfront naman siya. Hindi siya yung tipong tao na hindi siya Yung parang walang drama. He's a straight arrow, straight to the point, direkta. Parang tong dalawang kasama ko dito, walang paligoy-ligoy, di ba? Walang palamuti, diretso sagot.
If that question were asking court, no? Kung tinanong yung question mo sa court, ang sagot ko, Your Honor, please tell the defense that this question is immaterial and irrelevant.
Wow.
Di ba? Kasi yung political affiliation niya, anong kinalaman niyan sa testimony niya sa NBI? Your Honor, please, can we tell the defense counsel that to ask the right question? Hindi. Hindi naman po tinago yung political affiliation. I think the congressman knows political affiliation, but let's not allow it to color the testimony of the witness, no? Because we are sure na yun ang ilalabas ng trolls ulit, no? So pakiusap lang sa legitimate media, let that not be the issue on Tuesday.